Hey there, welcome to Daily Cryptocurrency Tidbits. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about a particular airdrop, alright? It is called the Blum Airdrop. This is a Blum website. It's an all-in-one trading app. However, they have a project that is going on for them. But first, let me show you what the Blum app is all about. It's going to be a trading app where you can trade all tokens from one particular platform. So you have different exchanges and all of that, but you can trade all of those tokens in their app. All right, they are yet to launch it. However, they support 30 plus blockchains, as you can see on this page here. And this is an example of what the app would look like when it eventually launches. You see, every coin you need, Blum brings you every coin you need, just one place, no more switching between multiple platforms and all of that. You can trade via Telegram, a unique mini app experience with mobile-first design and integrated gamified mechanics, decentralized exchange, off-chain, order block, on-chain settlements, enabling trades from wallets like Trust Wallet and MetaMask in one transaction. It is easy to use, trade without chain switching, native token gas fees, or endless transactions confirmations. Blum is proposing to be your gateway to rewarding your crypto experiences. At Blum, we believe in making your crypto journey not just profitable but also enjoyable and interactive. Now, to be able to use Blum and participate in the airdrop process, you click on Launch Blum on Telegram, and then it will take you to this page, and then you click on Launch Blum. I have done that. I'm not going to show you how to do that just in case you want to participate in this airdrop. I suggest you participate in this airdrop. All right, now this is the page that you'll be greeted with. For the first time, you'll see create your profile. Once you click on create your profile, it automatically generates your profile from your Telegram account. All right, and then the next thing you have to do is to complete all of these tasks. As you can see here, about 9 tasks. I just have to complete each and every one of them. You can just see, click on start. It will make you join their Telegram handle, join their Twitter, or subscribe to their Twitter, follow some of their Twitter accounts, and then you'll be able to claim some Blum airdrop. And once you are able to create your profile, you see farming here. It automatically keeps counting, it keeps farming for you, and then you can have the option to perform all of these tasks to gather this point. You can see here, I just started doing that right now. And then you can also see you can invite your friends to be able to gather some other points. You don't have to do all of those to invite your friends, but it is expected that you spread the word and then be able to gather points that you'll be able to exchange for their airdrop tokens when they eventually launch their project or their app. All right, so you don't have to pay anything. It's just for you to participate and perform those simple tasks in terms of liking and following some of their social media points and handles and earning those social media points for the tasks you perform. All right, so I suggest you do this. You can always go through my Twitter and my YouTube videos. You can see some other airdrops I have posted in the time past and how profitable some of them turned out to be. You don't have anything to lose here. Just participate and also come back every day to earn activity points for yourself. All right, your referral links in on your Twitter handles, you can share them on your social media pages and all of that. Invite as much friends as you can. I'll share my link. You also have to join through a friend's referral link. I'll have you guys share your link. For those who just joined in, you can share your link in the comment section of this video, in the description of this video, or in the comment section of the video, so that people can also join from your link. You stand a chance to earn points from their joining your link, and you also will give them the opportunity to earn points because they've joined through your link. So that is that for this video. If you have questions, please drop them in the comment section. I'll do well to treat them. All right, see you in the next video. Bye.